Good morning, students. I myself Divakar Pandey from Kuntinagar Modern English School, Nevada, and welcome to you in your e-learning class. Today, I am going to provide you my first video lecture of lesson 5 in civics, which has been taken from class 6. And the today topic is Panchayati Raj. In this chapter, we have to study about Panchayat. The word Panchayat comes from the word Panch, which literally means a group of 5 people. Panch, it means 5 people. Panchayati Raj is an ancient concept which provides a system of local self-governance. It means it is deep rooted in the society and the custom of rural India. Since very early times when we study, it has been responsible for resolving problems related to water, sanitation, irrigation, and even settling disputes between people. During the British rule, this institution fell apart as the British government did not trust the locals. The British government appointed their own officials who did not look into people's welfare. They exploited the innocent villagers. As a result, people lost faith in the panchayats. But now, after India became independent, panchayats became important again. Ours is a democratic country where people participate and have a role in the government. So now today we have to study about it. The Panchayati Raj institutions were granted legal status through the 17th Amendment Act 1992. Thus we can say, seeking to turn Mahatma Gandhi's vision of Gram Swaraj into a reality. Its aim is to toughen the ways of Indian democracy by involving the local people in rural development projects. So now we come to the chapter of this lesson. What happens after people elect their representatives? Yes, and how decisions made. Let us try to know about these two type of question on the basis of this chapter. So now we come to the Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha, which is a meeting, there people directly participate and seek answers from their elected representatives. Now we come to the next paragraph. Now today it's a special day. Why do you know? Everyone's rushing to get to the Gram Sabha. What is the reason? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of the new Gram Panchayat. So what is the election of Gram Panchayat that had been held? Yes, the people of Hardas village are today keen to find out what their new Panchayat leaders have planned for the village. Now we come to Gram Sabha. What is a Gram Sabha? Do you know? The Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. It means the Sabha, which is also a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by a panchayat. This Sabha is known as the Gram Sabha. This Gram Sabha could be only one village or a few villagers. In some states, as in the example above, a village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years old or more and who has the right to vote is a member of the Gram Sabha. The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President. How the Gram Sabha meeting begins? The Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President, who is also called the Sarpanch. It means the Panchayat President is called by the other name and it is also called Sarpanch. It means Sarpanch and Panchayat President are same. And the members of the Panchayat. It means Gram Sabha is a meeting of the Panchayat President and the members of the Panchayat, who are called Panch. It means Panch are the members of the Panchayat. So presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects the village to the main highway. After this, the discussion moves to the subject of water and water shortage. Now, which type of problem, water problem in Hardas village? Now we come to a study. A villager called Tijia. It means Tijia is a villager. He begins the meeting by saying the water problem in Hardas has become very acute. The hand pump water has gone well down, it means well low, and the point up to which the ground has been drilled. We hardly get any water in the taps. So this is the saying of Tijia. Women have to go to the Suru river, which is 3 kilometers away to get water. One of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. But the others think that this will be expensive. So what should be better? Yes, it should be better that they fill to deepen the hand pumps and clean the wells for this season. Tijia says this is not enough. We need to do something more department, as groundwater levels seem to be going down every year. We were using more water than is seeping into the ground. After this discussion, another member whose name is Anwar, he tells everyone that he has seen ways of conserving water and recharging, it means refilling in a village in Maharashtra, where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called water state development. It means water state development is that development in which people learn how to conserve water and recharge water. And he had heard that the government gave money for this work. It means government supports if we want to conserve water or recharge our water. This type of program that is run by government is called water set program, under which we can conserve our water, we recharge our water. So like this I have discussed you about this building, about this chapter. And now we come to every village panchayat. It means every village has a panchayat and every village panchayat is divided into wards. A smaller, it means a smaller areas. Wards, it means a smaller areas of a village. Each ward elects a representative who is known as the ward member, that is called Panch. All the members of the Gram Sabha also elect a Sarpanch, and this Sarpanch is the Panchayat President. So Sarpanch is called Panchayat President, who is elected by the member of Panchayat Samiti, that are called Panch. The ward Panch and the Sarpanch form the Gram Panchayat. So who form the Gram Panchayat? the ward panch and the sarpanch. The Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. For how many years Gram Panchayat is elected? Gram Panchayat is elected for 5 years. The Gram Panchayat has a secretary who is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. It means the secretary of the Gram Sabha and the Gram Panchayat is similar, because the Gram Panchayat has a secretary and this secretary is also the secretary of the Gram Sabha. This person is not an elected person. So how this person is possible? Yes, this person is appointed by the government. It means the secretary of a Gram Sabha is not an elected person. He is appointed by the government. The secretary is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha. So which person is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha? The secretary of the Gram Sabha is responsible for calling the meeting of the Gram Sabha.